everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. I know many of you are already planning for December. Some of you probably have for a couple weeks now because you're that organized. I just wanted to let you know that I do have a post on my website that has a bunch of ideas that you can pick and choose from for December. We've got dramatic play, we've got art, we've got sensory, we've got science, you name it, it's all on there. It's got our playlist for December. It has a bunch of free Christmas printables. So make sure to check that out. I'm also going to drop a link to the video that I did 2 years ago so you can see what we did then as well. But I wanted to show you a few things that I have here that you can use for December as well. These are our gingerbread props. Now, for those of you who have followed me for a while, you know that when I was virtual teaching last year, I started creating props for all of our themes and sending them home so that the children could have the same thing I did, and we were using them with each other through the screen. When we came back in person, I realized, well, let's just keep going, and it has been the best. It has been absolutely the best to have the children have something they can hold and I can hold while we sing different songs and read books. So I have these gingerbread props. These are free on the website. All of the links I'm mentioning in this video, check the video description and you will find where you can get them. And it comes in a sheet like this, and I just cut them out. And I like to laminate them. You don't have to, but if you don't laminate, definitely copy it onto heavier paper if they're going to be used a lot for durability. And then I just taped them to these jumbo craft sticks. So those are for December. I also have some free printables. There's a bunch, and I'll link them all in the video's description, but I'm just going to show you a few here. We have our gingerbread, and we have our alphabet ornaments. Candy cane, we have a gingerbread counting puzzle, and we have an ornament counting. These are cards 1 to 10, and there's even more. Those are all on the website. And I have these bells, 1 to 10. I copied these onto cardstock. I put Velcro on the back so that I can use them at circle time with our flannel board. And I did the same thing with our candy canes. And there are specific songs these go to, and I talk about it in the blog post. So again, the link is in the description. And then as we pull the candy canes off the tree as we sing this song. And then I also wanted to show you something I'm really excited about. I mentioned in my last video that my daughter Rachel has been creating clip art for me and then turning them into printables. And these are all on our Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds on Teachers Pay Teachers. Rachel has created a big packet of Christmas printables that have all different skills. We've got patterning in here, and we have a snowman, color recognition, counting the ornaments on the tree. We have all different types of Christmas activities for your Christmas theme. It's all in one packet. And this is brand new because I know a lot of you like to use do-a-dots like we do. And these are in black and white, so if you don't have a color copier, you are good to go. And then you just take the do-a-dots and you just press them onto the circles. And if you don't have do-a-dots or you want to try something a little different, I've also used circle stickers that they can stick on each circle as well. So both of these packets are available on Teachers Pay Teachers. And then also, if you do winter in December, I have these winter lesson plans that I helped create. Many of you know about these. Many of you already own these. We have a packet of 24 activities for preschoolers ages 3 to 5. And we have a packet of 20 activities for toddlers 18 to 35 months. These are available, and we've done the work for you with this. It's got activities that cover a wide variety of skills. It gives you the supply list that you're going to need. and if there's free printables, you'll get those as well. This is a digital product, so when you click on the link and make a purchase, it will come to you in your email, the links, and you will download them into your computer. And it's your choice if you want to print them all at once, or if you just want to use your computer and go from there, just look on your screen and see how it's done. But it is a digital product, and they're a lot of fun. So again, these are our winter activity plans. So again, this all is covered in my December planning blog post. That link is in the description, and in that you're going to find a lot of different ideas, as well as our playlists and printables and all of that. So as you can see, we still have our leaves on the tree. We're finishing up our fall theme, but December is truly around the corner, and I know a lot of you will be looking for some inspiration for your December activities. Thanks for watching.